Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily delete deals in Hubspot. Keeping your CRM organized by removing outdated or unnecessary deals is a great way to stay on top of your business activities. First, go to hubspot.com and log into your account. Make sure you enter your login credentials correctly so you can access the CRM without any issues. Once inside, navigate to the main dashboard and click on the CRM section. This is the core area for managing contacts, companies, and deals. Next, select the Deals option. Here you'll see a full list of all your active and past deals. Take a moment to review them and identify the ones that are outdated or no longer relevant. Click on the deal you want to remove. Don't worry, selecting a deal does not delete it immediately. This step simply opens the deal's details so you can confirm it's the correct one. Now, look for the Delete option in the Deals menu. Click Delete, and the deal will be permanently removed from your account. Repeat the process for any other deals you want to clean up. This keeps your CRM neat, accurate, and focused only on the opportunities that matter. And that's it. You've learned how to delete deals in HubSpot quickly and easily. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical HubSpot tutorials.